Today we're jumping straight into one of the most exciting backyard projects we've seen in a long time. The Build It channel is taking on the challenge that most of us only daydream about: building a full-size swimming pool completely from scratch. Bricks, mortar, concrete, and a ton of dedication. But this isn't just digging a big hole and calling it a day. Nope. This is all about careful planning and expert technique. First, the design is mapped out right onto the ground with precision. Once the layout's locked in, the heavy equipment rolls up. A digger makes quick work of the earth, shaping the pool's foundation perfectly. Doing this by hand? Let's just say your back wouldn't thank you. With the digger in charge, everything comes out level, deep, and accurate. Next, a smooth mortar bed is laid down, the perfect cushion for the pool walls to sit on. Then come the Titan blocks. These aren't your everyday cinder blocks. They're made for pool construction and reinforced with concrete. And the smart part? The base and walls are poured together in one continuous pour. That's what builders call a monolithic pour. Strong, seamless, and built to last. To lock everything in, mortar runs around the edge, setting the stage for the first row of blocks. From there, it's all stacking, bracing, and reinforcing with steel rebar bent at perfect angles to tie the whole thing together. It all starts with a carefully drawn blueprint, a roadmap that turns lines on paper into a backyard masterpiece. Unlike traditional pools that pour the floor first and walls later, he pours it all at once. Faster, cheaper, stronger. No weak spots, no cracks where pieces meet. Before the big pour, shuttering goes up, steel mesh goes in, and the plumbing lines are prepped for drains, lights, skimmers, and return jets. Every detail is placed with purpose so that once the concrete goes in, it's all set in stone, literally. And then comes the big moment. Concrete day. The mix is thin just right so it flows into every corner, filling blocks and gaps without leaving air pockets behind. Once it's set, the pool is one solid, seamless structure. Now let's talk about the stairs, something that takes more punishment than almost any other part of a pool. They're built right into the structure, not bolted on later. Reinforced with rebar and poured solid, these steps are ready to handle years of splashing, diving, and cannonballs without breaking a sweat. With the walls and stairs secure, the interior gets sprayed with shotcrete, creating a smooth, watertight surface. This seals up all the pores and prepares the shell for waterproofing. And when it comes to waterproofing, it's more than just rolling on a coat of blue paint. A special flexible mix is applied carefully, especially at the joints where walls meet the floor, making sure leaks don't stand a chance. Tiles go on next, chosen not just for looks but for durability against water, chlorine, and heat. Porcelain, ceramic, or mosaics, whatever the choice, they're installed with precision to keep the finish sharp and long-lasting. Then comes the slow, steady fill with water while the team works on the deck. Adjustable pedestals and solid footings keep the wooden deck secure and level. And for the planks, exotic hardwoods that can handle sun, rain, and everything in between. Boards are staggered for strength, sanded smooth, and finished with protective oil that makes the wood glow while guarding against damage. Of course, no pool is complete without a spot to relax. Custom-built loungers made from the same hardwood match the deck perfectly. Comfortable, strong, and treated to handle weather, they're ready for sunbathing or poolside naps. A retractable awning adds the option of instant shade with the push of a button. Finally, maintenance gets its spotlight. A smart filtration system keeps the water crystal clear while cleaning robots and manual vacuums handle the grit and debris. Testing kits make sure chlorine and pH levels stay balanced so every swim feels fresh and safe. And that's it, a DIY backyard paradise from foundation to finish. Solid engineering, smart design, and a whole lot of determination turned this dream into reality. If you love projects like this, stick around here on the Build It channel. You'll find all the inspiration you need to build your own masterpiece.